Hello everybody, in this video I'll be showing you how to repair a tire. Now I'm not a professional tire repairer, so this is a DIY, so there may be things that may not be done professionally. First of all, just a disclaimer that the puncture, if it's on the side, you generally need to get it replaced. Now I will just remove this screw. So I just discovered that the tire had this screw. So I'm using this tire repair kit. I bought this over a year ago. I've never used it, so this was a good opportunity for me to use it and create this video. So as you can see, I'm just holding my finger over the hole where the screw was, just to prevent the air coming out. So I'm using this T-handle rasp tool that basically makes the hole a bit bigger and allows you to insert the patch. So I'm just turning it around. I've also been told that to make it more easier when you're inserting the patch, to use as a drill, make the hole a little bit bigger so that it's easier to insert the patch tool. Now obviously you're on the side of the road, you don't have a drill, so this is why you use the rasp tool. Now you got to use these patch plugs. So they're 4-inch repair plugs. So it looks very sticky, so I'm just gonna remove one and use that. So once you remove the repair plugs, you just slide it in the top of the insert tool, and now you just push the insert tool into the tire and just pull it out just like this. So obviously when you pull it out, there's a gap at the top of the rasp tool, so that allows you to leave the repair plugs in the tire. Now there's going to be some excess left over, so just use this utility knife that came with the pack and just remove the excess repair plug. You should now be able to use an air pump. So I'm using this wireless air pump that I purchased previously. I'll put a video previously, so you want to check that out, how to use it. So I'm just going to remove the cap from the tire, plug this in, make sure it's locked in. And now it's locked in. Turning it on. I'm going to set this to 36 psi. So like the previous videos, once you set it to 36, just press the start and here we go. It's starting to pump. So at the moment, as you can see, it's at 0. So completely flat. It'll take a little while to hit 36. Also check to make sure there's no air coming out as you're pumping the tire. If there is air coming out, then that means the hole is not fixed. So as you can see, it's increasing now to 3, 3.5, and just let it run. So it'll take a little while for the tire to reach up to 36 psi, and during this process just monitor to make sure that there is no air coming out. If there is, then you might want to try it again, or there's the hole is too big for the patch to completely fill, so you might want to immediately take it to a tire place to get it repaired. I will take this tire to get it replaced anyway, so this was just for demonstration purposes. I wanted to learn how to use the tire kit and it was very helpful. Hope this video helped. If it did, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, follow, and I'll see you next time.